I've worked here my whole working career. Currently in the team leader position, Plant 6, mill room. I like this place, I like the environment, just because I like the grit. It takes one of a kind to work here. The people here are tremendously involved, well structured, well taught. Out on the floor, you can see it shine through each individual. Every day, I'm trying to teach new employees, and they put forth the effort that I ask, and they succeed and master their job, and they move up. That's really what inspires me to come back to work every day. Moving up is a big responsibility, where you're not just a number at Waupaca. You are an employee, and you are an investment to the company. Waupaca believes in experience. You know, they give you a chance to excel in whatever department you're in. I'm Waupaca because I believe excellence is the key to success. And at Waupaca Foundry, we strive for success.